Alright, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use the VDOE report card easy API on VDOEopensource.org. So if you go there, you go to For Developers and you click on VDOE report card API. I would highly suggest reading all this, but I'm going to show you how to actually create links quickly using Excel. So if you see the how to link to the different report card section, it shows you that basically you can build a website equation really quickly. So you've got the stem of your website link, and then there's a question mark, and then anything after the question mark is a variable. So if you look, we have to define two variables, the division and the school name. And then you're going to have to enter in your division number and then your VDOE report card number. So let's pull up a school, a county real quick. Let's do Bland County, 4 schools. So what's nice is we've already done that for you. So we could easily just click on either one of these or any of these, and it should take us then to the school report card for that school. Looks like it's still loading, and there we go. So we could just copy and paste these. I'm going to show you though how to build it within Excel. So let's go ahead and export this to Excel. And it's downloading, and let's open it. Alright, so enable editing. You see it's gotten our division name, our division number, the school names, the school number, and then the VDOE report card number. So the two variables that we needed here were the division number and then the VDOE report card number. So I'm going to jump back over here. We also have to have the stem of the address. So I'm going to copy all the way up to the equal sign. I'm just going to dump that here in Excel. Make it the same font size. I also need to grab the second piece and school name equals. Copy. I'm going to paste that in Excel as well. Okay, so now we need to have two equations within Excel in order to get this to actually work. So what I want to do is I want to join this with the division number, and then have this with the VDOE report card number. So there's a really easy equation that I can use. So if I click on a cell and I click on the little function, and I go here to all, I want the concatenate equation. So what concatenate does is it says, give me a whole bunch of strings, and what I'll do is I'll join them together. So text1 equals this, and then I want the division number, and then and school name, and what is the VDOE school name? It's that. So it's going to join all these together and give us one long equation. So you can see it goes all the way out, and it's built the equation for this school. So if I highlight and I drag this down, it's now built the equation for every single school within this county. So I've got the website address, and you can see it's doing that just by pulling in the different variables. The last equation that I need to use is I actually need to link this now. So that way when you click on something, it goes to the website. So I can do that in Excel through a different function. So I'm going to click on, all my equations are in here, are in the H column. I'm going to click on I, say function, and we want the hyperlink function. So the hyperlink function needs two pieces. Where am I going? Well, you're going to go to this web address, and then what do you want it to say for the user to click on? And I'm going to go with school name. And there we go. So if I do the same thing, if I drag that down, we now have a school link for each of these schools. And if I click on one real quick, it's going to load up the report card for that school. Now yours will probably run a little bit faster. Oh, you might get this message that says, do you want to go to this site? Sure. And mine's taking a little bit longer because I've got Internet Explorer set as my default browser. So there we go. And it pulled up that school for us, Bland Elementary. I go here and I pull Bland High and I hit OK. It's loading, and there's Bland High. So you see how you can quickly use that API. Just give it two variables and you've got links to all of your schools within your county. Ooh, close all tabs. And that's how that easy API works on VDOEopensource.org.